to Jackie Unfiltered ASMR. This is a quiet corner of the internet made for rest, reflection, and calm. Whether you need sleep, stillness, or just a gentle voice in the background, you're in the right place. I hope you subscribe and stay tuned for gentle content to help you feel better. Thank you for allowing yourself this time to rest, reset, and recharge. May this new year bring you clarity, joy, and all the strength you need to thrive. Until next time, take care and carry this calm with you.